This is a professor from India. I think jury has been very particular to decide these awards in a way that they are spread internationally all over the world. I have, it is Dr. M. Salvam. I wonder whether he is here with us.
He's very much
Dr.
here with us.
Yeah.
M. Salvam. I think Dr. M. Salvam Murugan Gasan Salvam is a member of Syndicate Bharati Desam University, Dean, Faculty of Management, Chair, School of Business Studies, Professor and Head, Department of Commerce and Financial Studies, Bharati Desam University. Bharati Desam University is doing really a great work in India in the field of education. His contributions are really superb. He has made extremely, it seems he has been totally committed to education and research. Amply deserves this award, which the jury had decided to be given to him and to be announced by him, by me. Dr. Salwan, I feel privileged announcing this award, research award to you. Professor Salwan has over 30 years 36 years experience, 30 years at the postgraduate level and 6 years at the undergraduate level. He has been associated with Department of Commerce, Annamalai University, Center for Distance Education, Bharati Desam University, Center for Distance Education, Bharati Desam University, and then I think Department of Commerce and Financial Studies as a leader in commerce, then associate professor and head, and also as a professor and head since 2009. He has earned D.Litt in 2017 from Bharatiya University, PhD 1992, Annamalai University, MBA Pariyar University 2012, MCOM 1988, Annamalai University, MADE 98, Indira Gandhi National Open University, PGDDE 1996, Indira Gandhi National Open University, and BCom 1985, Bharati Desam University. He has had training from different institutions like training of trainers, certified independent directors, and so on and so forth. He has made, as I said, several contributions as a teacher as well as a researcher. He has been a member of the professional bodies, several professional bodies and academic bodies. He has made several research contributions funded by sponsored and public funded research projects, executed as many as 9 such research projects he has concluded. He has guided a large number of research scholars for PhD and MPhil, I think, over a period of, during this period of his teaching and research career. He has visited for academic interactions, conferences, and as part of delegations in Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Dubai, USA, Thailand, and Sri Lanka. I think he was a widely traveled person. And he has also entered into various research contributions, collaborations, and joint publications with different universities like New York Institute of Technology, Abu Dhabi, UAE, Sam Houston State University in the United States, Department of Accounting and Information Systems, Islamic University in Bangladesh, Sam Houston State University, United States, St. Mary's College of California, United States, and Dr. Isha All Nations University, Ghana, Selen Oncha Department of Management Studies, Kissi University, Kenya, and Sam Houston State University, United States. Justin Paul University, Puerto Rico, United States. James Cook University, Singapore, University of Jaffna, Sri Lanka, and also Nazwa Sultanate of Oman, and University Technology Mara, Selangor, Malaysia. Widely traveled to as many and entering into collaborations with more than 14 universities and countries. He has been cited very widely for the research papers published. He has had several distinctions to his credit. He is a life member of more than 14 associations around the world and guided as many as 17 PhD doctoral dissertations, 19 MPhil dissertations, yes, and he has attended a large number of conferences and workshops organized at the international level. The number is almost as many as 21. And of course, he has given those details. He has published essays widely and been cited also very widely for research publications he has made. I feel honored while reading your data and also find that you are one of the very deserving cases for the research award being, I think, announced by the jury of the Indian Institute of Finance. You are the first one from India for this IIF Research Award being selected by the jury. My congratulations to you, Mr. Selvam. Congratulations. Keep up.
Thank you, sir.
Good work. Keep up good work.
Thank you.
India deserves research professors like you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
My best wishes for the future work.
Yeah, true. I will continue to work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Selvam, would you like to say something? Yes.
Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I do appreciate Indian Institute of Finance for having organized this memorable and international seminars. As we are all aware that Indian Institute of Finance has been doing a lot of work in the area of finance. And it is my honor and privilege to accept the award of IIF Research Professor Award 2020 in the discipline of management. I am very fortunate to be the first Indian to receive this award. My special thanks to Dr. Professor J.D. Agarwal, Chairman, Distinguished Professor of Finance, Indian Institute of Finance. And my special thanks to Aman Agarwal, Yamini, and a panel of jury members and other eminent experts and the team who have organized this wonderful event with the prestigious award function. And it is a good sign that the IIF have started recognizing the researchers. And you have covered almost all areas of theme of the seminar, and they should be organized on periodical basis to review the stock of the situation. And I appreciate that you have planned that way also to have this event in January. and we will be part of it. And last but not least, I say that I'm blessed to be in the research and the teaching profession. We, the teaching fraternity, has to put our collective commitments and efforts to promote the well-being and the growth of our country. Thank you.